Task number 6, clauses, is part of the SQL Fundamentals room inside TryHackMe and Cybersecurity 101 learning pair. A clause is a part of a statement that specifies the criteria of the data being manipulated, usually by an initial statement. Clauses can help us define the type of data and how it should be retrieved or sorted. In the previous task, we already used some clauses such as from, that is used to specify the table we are accessing with our statement, and where, which specify which records should be used. This task will focus on other clauses: distinct, group by, order by, and having. In this task, we'll continue to use the books table that is part of the TryHackMe books DB. This is why, after connecting to MySQL root user with TryHackMe password, we use TryHackMe books GB. Distinct clause. The distinct clause is used to avoid duplicate records when doing a query, returning only unique values. Here you can see that you have two. Let's go for select everything from books. Actually, let's also see what is show tables, right? And here select all from books. Jesus Christ. We have 5 and 6 duplicate names. Also duplicate dates. The query output displays all the content of the table books, and the record ethical hacking is displayed twice. Let's perform the query again, but this time using the distinct clause. Select, and instead of the star we use distinct. Select distinct from books. Distinct name from books. Right? And we have the same output. The output shows that only 5 rows are returned and just one instance of the ethical hacking record is displayed. Group by clause. The group by clause aggregates data from multiple records and groups the query results in columns. This can be helpful for aggregating functions. Here we see again the select for name and then count everything from books, group by name. Here, for instance, ethical hacking, we know that we have it 2 times, right? So in names, we'll count every entry, how many times will be in this name column. And also we group by name. Select name, then count star from books and group by name. We see the same output. In the example above, the records on the books table are regrouped by the result of count function. We already know that ethical hacking is listed twice, so the total count is 2, placed at the end, since it is grouped by count. Order by clause. The order by clause can be used to sort the records returned by a query in ascending or descending order. Using functions like ascending or descending can help us to accomplish that, as shown below in the next 2 examples. Yeah, so here basically we order. Select everything from books, then ascend. Order by published date, ascending. Right, we see the published date, it's ascending. Right, from the latest date to the earliest. And descending order, right? We just change the ascending from the end. It's the exact same thing and it will reverse the results. Right? Descending and it will reverse the results. We can observe the difference when sorting by ascending order using ask and in descending order using desk, both using the published date as reference. Having clause. The having clause is used with other clauses to filter groups or results of records based on a condition. In the case of group by, it evaluates the condition to true or false. Unlike the where clause, having filters the results after the aggregation is performed. So here we have a select name, count all from books, grouped by name, and then having the name like heck. So here we also see wildcards, the percent sign, meaning that I care only, or maybe I remember only the name heck, and then give me or ignore everything that's in front or after heck. Give me everything that contains this, having something in front or in the back, I don't remember what. And you can see over here, hack, hack, car hacking, hacker handbook, and ethical hacking. Now, if we do the same thing, select name, count all. From books, then we have a group by name, and at the end we have having name like between single quotes, we have percent sign, hack, percent sign, and then close the single quotes and close the statement. Go for that, and we have the same result. In the example above, we can observe that the query returns the books with the names that contain the word hack in the proper count, as we learned before. Answer the questions below using the tools database. Use tools db. What is the total number of distinct categories in the hacking tools table? For this, we will use this. Select, we'll go like this, select all from hacking tools. And then let's say we want to go for, let's go back to the question. Number of distinct categories. Okay, so select distinct category. Yes. From hacking tools. And we have 6. Let's see, 6 distinct categories using the tools DB. What is the first tool by name in ascending order from the hacking tools table? Let's go up a bit. Not this one. So we select, what do we want to select? The first tool by name. Name in ascending order. Hacking tools like this. Select name from hacking tools. Order by name. Bash Bunny. Using the tools DB, what is the first tool by name again in descending order? Well, basically this one. Wi-Fi pineapple. We go with the same statement, descending